Yes, it's video 5 in my series of 3 on using your DreamSpark account in Microsoft Azure as an Agri College student. So, a question came in about the publishing process with an ASP web form site. So, I just thought I would quickly run over something that I mentioned but didn't really show. So, let me just bring up here that same web application that we uploaded the other day. So, there was my Dave was here text, right? So that's not much of a change. So what I did is I just thought for fun, I added this little images folder. As you can see over here, I just right click, add new folder, went and grabbed some existing PNG files, threw them into here. So that's just so I could throw in a little bit just for fun, some bootstrap. Here's the text for a little carousel, just going through a series of images. Right, so this just complicates things, adds a bit more. We have some new resources, a whole new folder with graphic images stored in the folder, change the text to this one file, and so on. So, assuming that this is all good, all we would have to do is right click on the web application again. Let me just zoom in there, right? Select Publish, and in the publish wizard, I don't really need, I could go back and review things, but I'm not changing anything. I'm just saying, okay, I've made a modification. I want to publish and put that modification up online in Azure. So here I'm going to show you what happens when I click Start Preview. I didn't bother. I probably should have the other day. See, the first time, of course, everything is going to be uploaded. So you see everything basically listed that needs to be sent up to the Azure website. This time, you see it's determining changes. So we don't have to replace all the files, although that is an option you can do if you wanted to, but I never would really. Now you see the one DLL file, because a web application using web forms, basically everything is encoded into a single DLL, right? But we're also sending out the default ASPX page, and look at here's all our images that were added to the images folder. So we get a nice overview here of what the changes are and what needs to be uploaded when I actually click publish. So we'll do the publication, and all my changes should show up there in a moment, up live online. Drum roll, please. Okay, and there we go. So we see a little carousel has been added for some Minecraft stuff that I'm helping somebody work on, and away we go. All right, so, oh, I don't want to close everything. Let me just close this down. And going back into Visual Studio once more, let's just make one more really, really quick change. Dave was here again, just to show you. Okay, I'll even, oh, no. See, my students are used to this. I mess everything up all the time. All right, just to show you the difference here. I didn't even click save because that'll be done automatically when I select publish. Right, so if we just preview here with that one little change to some text, there's very little has to actually be uploaded. And away we go. Just click publish. So I just wanted to demonstrate that it really does examine, look for changes, differences, and as fast as that. So it makes it very, very easy to, when you make modifications to your website, to just publish and away you go. So hope you enjoy that. All the best.